Hello everyone. Please follow the previous video to understand about context-free grammar. Today we are going to discuss about derivation in context-free grammar. So now what is a derivation? It is nothing but some sequence of substitution to get a particular word. So consider if I have 0 S1 and or epsilon as the grammar. And if I want to derive 0011, then I'm doing some series of substitutions. So initially I will use this 0s1. In the next step also again I will use, instead of this s, I will use 0s1 again. And now my string 0011 is already achieved. So instead of this s, I will use epsilon. And then I will get my string. Now derivation can either be leftmost derivation or the rightmost derivation. Leftmost derivation means I go about expanding the leftmost symbol always. And the rightmost derivation tells I go about expanding the right symbol always. So now let us consider an example. S gives AB, A gives AA capital A or epsilon, capital B gives capital B small b or epsilon. Here capital symbol indicates non-terminals and small symbol indicates terminals. So now I have to derive AAB. Now this can be done in leftmost derivation or the rightmost derivation way. Here I will expand the leftmost symbol always. So instead of A, I will use this AA capital A. Now the leftmost non-terminal here is capital A. So first I will substitute for this. I will substitute epsilon. My leftmost symbol now is B. I will substitute capital B with this. And this capital B I will substitute with epsilon and then it will give me the answer. Now what happens in the rightmost derivation? In the rightmost derivation, I will do for the right symbol first and then come on to the left hand side. So capital B gets substituted with capital B small b, capital B gets substituted with epsilon, giving me capital A and small b. Now this A gets substituted with A capital A B, capital A gets substituted with epsilon and then giving me the answer. Similarly, I can also do the parse tree. So now, if you see, I expanded the rightmost symbol and then this one I'm substituting with epsilon. I expand, now the rightmost symbol is capital A. I expand it with A and capital A. The rightmost symbol now is epsilon. So I get A epsilon B, which is nothing but AAB. Now as you can see, whether it is LMD or RMD, now in this case it has given me the same parse tree. To understand about ambiguity in grammar, please check out the next video.